Do you struggle to put on your shoes and socks? Is it painful to get out of bed in the morning? Jane is a professional home caregiver, and she's a regular at the VibeTech office. Her clients have pointed out that she's much more flexible than she used to be, noticing that she's able to bend and squat and get at things that she didn't used to be able to get at. Bob is a retired systems engineer and human factors engineer. He's also a guitar enthusiast and plays the ukulele. Whenever he's had a treatment, his pain level drops from a 7 out of 10 to a 0 in just a matter of minutes. We all strive to be like Bob or Jane, to find effective non-pharmacological remedies to the ailments that limit our capabilities. I dream that there will be a day that you have no more knee pain, which makes you struggle to walk up and down the stairs. No back pain preventing you from rolling out of bed with a smile on your face. And such great flexibility that you can switch back from Velcro to laced shoes. While that problems with pain and range of motion limit your mobility, putting you at an ever-increasing risk of suffering a fall the longer that you live with these ailments. Watch for me next week to see how you can lead a more active life and lower risk of falls through increased mobility and physical confidence delivered through a series of good vibration.